Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to solve this problem 22. So the problem given is following currents, output port is short circuited and the parameters are given like this and input port is short circuited, the parameters are given. These are obtained experimentally for an two-port network. He is asking us to find out why that is very simple. So before solving this, we need to remember the matrix form of an or expression. Okay, so the matrix form what we are going to have is so I1, I2 are the dependent variables that is equal to y11, y12, y21 as well as y22 that is equal to v1 v2. So therefore the expressions for I1 is equal to y11 v1 plus y12 v2 is the one equation. Next equation is I2 is equal to y21 v1 plus y22 v2. So in order to find this, the first what we are going to do is the output port we are going to short circuit. So we are going to make v2 equal to 0 as well as v2 equal to 0 here. When you make v2 equal to 0, the equations are is nothing but what we need to find out is y11. Okay. So when v2 equal to 0, y11 is I1 divided by v1. When v2 is 0, we are going to get y21. So y21 is equal to I2 by v1. Second one is we are going to make input port is short circuited. So we want to make v1 as 0 and v1 as 0. Therefore, the value of y12 is equal to I1 by v2. The value of this we are making 0, the value of y22. Okay, the value of y22 is equal to I2 by v2. So this is what actually given in the problem. So therefore here we are making these are obtained by making v2 equal to 0. So these are obtained by making v1 is equal to 0. Now the resultant admittance matrix is like this. So the value of I1 is 5 milliamperes divided by V1 is 25 volts. And here I1, what is the, uh, here I2 is minus 0.3 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by V1 is 25 volts. And here these are obtained by making the input as short circuit. I1 is minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by V2 is 30 volts. And here I2 is 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by V2 is 30 volts. So when you do it, here you are going to get this is 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 moles, and y21 is when you do this using your calculator, this is 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 5 moles. Y12 is 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 4 moles. This is 3.33 into 10 to the power minus 4 moles. So this is what the resultant admittance matrix what we require. So hope you understood the problem. So this is very simple, just write down the standard form of the equation. If you don't remember, just remember this standard format. Why? Because I is equal to yv. So when you express in this format, automatically the things are very simplified. So hope you understood the video. So just make output as short circuited, automatically we can find out y11 and y21. When you make v1 equal to 0, then automatically we can write out y12 as well as y22. So if you're watching for the first time, if you feel the content is useful, please like the video and share with your friends And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And if you're watching for the first time, kindly subscribe to the channel. This is a free channel for the benefit of the students, and this will help the students and faculty to understand more. Yours obediently, Ram. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.